husband here with WTI.
And if you're dealing with hyperpigmentation like me, this Avena face cream from BlancoDerma is just great. This is a skin whitening moisturizer and I use it every night. I love how thick this cream is. It is really thick, so I take advantage of every single drop of this product, and I've been using it for over 10 years, I would say, because I suffered from a lot of blemish, and so I have marks on my face, and so I've been constantly using this cream and it's helped so much. And so I use it every night. I'm really constant with it. It is really easy to use. It is thick and it comes in this little jar that lasts me up to 6 months if I use it at least once every day. But I think it's totally worth it. And again, if you want to help your face a little bit with some marks from blemish that you had in the past, well, this one's a great option.
And that's my point of view.